Allstate. Gotcha. How you guys doing at Allstate? Tony Harris here with Neighborhood Restoration, about to perform a repair attempt on one of the shingles that you guys did deemed to be repaired. First thing first, today is July the 8th, I believe. It's currently about 82 degrees. Real nice day out. This is the shingle right here in question. So before we do anything, we're gonna see where the shingle ends at. So, being sure not to lift over 40 degrees too. Jokers told me I was lifting too much. Like, I don't know how to lift the shingle below 40 degrees. I'm like, that's crazy. That really made me aggravated, to be truthful. I'm aggravated about that right now.
Yeah, because now you gotta drive all the way back out there.
Not even. I mean, that's all a part of the game. I just hate when insurance companies tell lies, and make us seem bad, like we're doing an improper job with the homeowner, Shingle is taken out. You can already see a little bit of granular loss off across the top right here. Right here. Right here, maybe it's a little slight. But now what's gonna happen is once we start to nail in the shingle, I'm already just deem it irreparable because like I say, you can already see the creasing starting to come in right here and right here. So even if we try to put a new shingle in, which we're not gonna put a new shingle in just yet, because I want you guys to see the video, to see the damage that's being caused with just removing. Because remember, when we start to nail in these shingles, it's gonna cause even more vibrations, which is gonna damage these shingles even more. I'll let you guys see the simulated repair attempt to show that any type of repairs just is not gonna suffice. So we're just gonna place this shingle that's already damaged back in, simulating a real repair. Place these nails. It's hot out here, so bear with me. shingle back in tight. Like I say, you can see, I'll show you all the shingles affected right here. Right here, you can see the granular loss now decreasing up here as well. Slightly this one, not the most, just swiping just to see, but maybe a little bit right up in there. You can see the damage there. This one here, definitely can see that in the middle right here. So once again, we're gonna deem this irreparable because any type of repair that we try to do, we're only gonna cause more creasing to the surrounding shingles. This is the one that was damaged. Effectively, we've damaged this one, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional shingles trying to repair this one shingle. So what you guys are already given, I believe, about 18 to 20 shingles per slope. That's just gonna cause an abundance of more damage. So just wanna say this repair attempt failed. What's the date? 7/8/26. And I'm done. Hoping out.